Hi, I'm Rich Culture with Defiance Tools here at Moore Expo, and I'll talk about some of our new products we got. So first thing is our Go Anywhere grill. Packs up super flat like this. And then when you put it together, just add your charcoal, start your fire, and you're ready to cook. We also include with that a fireproof blanket, so you can put that on a picnic table and not worry about getting it scorched or heated. I want to show you about our tables, but I need to take you over here to show you one that we've got a sample. So this is the table, what it looks like flat. And then to assemble it, you just pop it up. The legs lock out like that. And then there's zippered storage. And comes with 3 shelves that go in there to give you some stiffness in the shelves. And then when it's all said and done, it packs up into a bag about that size. So this is the carry bag for it. And it is a solid bamboo top, so you can use it as a prep surface or you can cutting board. It's also waterproof. So that's a couple of the key products we've got here at the Moore Expo. So to get more information, you can visit us online at defiancetools.com or kind of check our event schedule. It's also on our website, and you can see where we'll be close to you.